Stop. Just for a moment. Take a breath. If you're a student, a researcher, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn, I have a question for you. Does this feel familiar? You're surrounded by a mountain of information, staring at a screen, feeling the pressure of a looming deadline. You're trying to absorb everything, but it feels like you're just treading water. Let's be honest. You're probably studying wrong and wasting your precious time. You've found the perfect video, a lecture, a documentary, a tutorial. It has all the key concepts you need to help you prepare for that crucial exam or finish that important project. There's just one problem. It's an hour long, and you definitely don't have an hour to spare. So what do? You try to power through. You're constantly hitting rewind, trying to catch that one detail you missed. You're scribbling frantic, messy notes, hoping you can decipher them later. Before you know it, you're feeling completely overwhelmed, buried by the sheer volume of information. The knowledge is right there, but getting to it feels like an impossible task. This frustrating, inefficient cycle is exactly why we created NoteGPT. So, what is NoteGPT? Put simply, it's your personal AI learning companion designed to completely revolutionize how you engage with educational content. It's not just for videos. NoteGPT works with almost any learning material you can think of. Dense academic articles, lengthy PDFs, online lectures, audio recordings, PowerPoint presentations, and even images with text. The workflow is incredibly simple and powerful. You start by either pasting a link or uploading a file. Instantly, our AI gets to work, generating a concise, accurate summary. But it doesn't stop there. It pulls out key highlights and actionable insights, lets you ask specific questions, and helps you export your organized notes. It's a seamless path from information overload to focused understanding. Let's dive into the core features that make this possible. First up, AI summaries and smart chapters. Imagine turning that hour-long video into a digestible summary in just seconds. No more watching entire hour-long videos just to find the 5 minutes you actually need. NoteGPT gives you the core message up front, so you can decide if the content is even worth a deeper dive. But what truly enhances this is our Smart Chapters feature. Our AI doesn't just summarize, it intelligently analyzes the content structure and automatically breaks videos and documents into logical titled chapters. This means you can see the entire structure of the content at a glance and jump straight to the section that matters most to you. No more scrubbing aimlessly through a timeline. Next, let's talk about our powerful transcript tools. As you watch a video or review a document within our platform, you have a synchronized, interactive transcript right alongside it. When you come across a critical point, a key definition, or a powerful quote, you don't need to pause and type it out. Simply highlight the important parts of the transcript and save them as neatly organized, time-stamped notes with just one click. Each note is a direct link back to that exact moment in the video, making review sessions incredibly efficient. But here's the real game changer, the feature our users say they can't live without, our AI Q&A chat. This isn't a generic chatbot. It's your personal tutor for the specific content you're studying. Have a question? Just ask. You can ask any question about the video content, like, explain the concept of quantum entanglement in simple terms, or what were the 3 main causes of the historical event discussed. You'll get instant contextual answers drawn directly from the source material. And crucially, the AI provides citations, pointing you to the exact timestamps or page numbers where the information can be found. You can even ask follow-up questions to dig deeper and refine your understanding. It's like having a conversation with your learning materials. For those tackling large projects, we have Batch Summarize. Instead of processing one video or article at a time, you can queue up an entire playlist, a whole semester of lectures, or a folder of research papers. NoteGPT will process them all in one go, creating a library of summaries and insights for you to work with. And to make your workflow even faster, we've built a prompt library. It comes with pre-built prompts designed for common learning tasks, like creating a chapter-by-chapter summary or extracting the core arguments. You can also create and save your own custom prompt templates to get the exact output you need every single time. Now, getting information is one thing, retaining it is another. NoteGPT bridges that gap with a suite of powerful study aids. With our AI flashcard generator, you can turn your highlights and notes into a deck of flashcards automatically. This is perfect for active recall and cementing key concepts in your memory before an exam. For visual learners, NoteGPT can generate mind maps and diagrams from your notes, giving you a high-level overview of how different concepts connect and relate to one another. Need to share your findings? The AI presentation creator can take your summarized content and instantly build a clean, professional slide deck. And if you're struggling with writer's block, our AI writer can help you draft outlines, compose study guides, or rephrase complex ideas based on your notes. We even have a specialized math and homework helper to guide you through complex problem solving. And of course, all of your notes, summaries, and generated materials can be easily exported to common formats, so you can review them on any device or share them with your study group. The power of NoteGPT truly comes to life when you see how different people use it. A student preparing for finals can batch summarize an entire lecture series, use the Q&A chat to clarify confusing topics, and then auto-generate flashcards for a final cram session. A researcher can import dozens of academic papers, use smart chapters to find the methodology sections, and use the AI chat to build a literature matrix comparing findings across studies. An educator can build a lesson outline from a long documentary, create a presentation, and share a concise summary with their students as pre-reading material. Even professionals and creators can turn hours of webinar or podcast content into key takeaways, social media posts, and detailed briefs in minutes. So, how can you get the most out of NoteGPT? Here are a few tips. Use the smart chapters and summary to quickly skim content first. Then, combine that with the AI Q&A to dive deep into the specific areas you need to understand. Keep your notes clean and organized by using the one-click highlight feature instead of manually typing. And make active recall a habit by regularly reviewing your AI-generated flashcards. For even more seamless integration into your workflow, our Chrome extension lets you summarize web pages and videos directly in your browser without ever leaving the page. The results speak for themselves. On average, students who use NoteGPT save up to 60% of their study time. Think about what you could do with that extra time. It's not just about saving time, it's about learning more effectively, leading to deeper understanding and better grades. And we're not alone in believing this. Over 8 million users around the world trust NoteGPT to power their learning. They trust us because we turn those grueling marathon study sessions into efficient, focused, and genuinely productive learning. The old way of learning is broken. It's time for a change. It's time to stop passively watching and start actively understanding. Unlock a smarter way to learn. Try NoteGPT now.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.